Maverick Viñales MV12. First up, we have the motorhome of MotoGP star Maverick Viñales, the MV12. Designed for both luxury and functionality, it's a perfect mobile home for a professional athlete. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with the latest entertainment systems, a fully equipped kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, and elegant dining space. The bedroom offers maximum comfort with a plush bed and ample storage. The bathroom is modern with high-end fixtures, providing a sanctuary on wheels. Maverick Viñales. My motorhome is my home away from home. It has everything I need to relax and prepare for races. It also includes a dedicated workspace and a small gym area, ensuring Maverick stays connected and fit. Dembell Motorhomes. Next up, we have Dembell Motorhomes, the epitome of luxury on wheels. These motorhomes are designed to provide a 5-star hotel experience no matter where you are. Step inside and you'll find spacious living areas with top-of-the-line furnishings. The kitchen comes fully equipped with high-end appliances, perfect for gourmet cooking on the go. The bedrooms feature luxurious beds and ample storage, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. The bathrooms in Dembell Motorhomes are nothing short of spectacular, with modern fixtures and spa-like features. Some models even include home theaters and office spaces, catering to both relaxation and productivity. What sets Dembell Motorhomes apart is their attention to detail and customization options. You can tailor the interiors to your taste, making it a truly personalized travel experience. ARKUP 75. Now, let's explore something truly unique. The ARKUP 75. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury floating home that redefines mobile living. ARKUP 75 combines cutting-edge design with sustainability. Equipped with solar panels and hydraulic stilts, it can lift itself above water, providing stability and protection from the elements. Inside, you'll find spacious and modern living areas with panoramic views. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, and the bedrooms offer luxurious comfort, making you feel at home on the water. This floating home is also eco-friendly, featuring rainwater harvesting and purification systems. It includes all the amenities you need, from a comfortable living space to a fully functional kitchen and luxurious bedrooms. Furrion Elysium RV. Next, we have the Furrion Elysium RV, a true marvel of modern technology and luxury. This RV is designed for those who love innovation and extravagance on the road. The most striking feature of the Furrion Elysium is its rooftop helicopter pad. Yes, you heard that right. This RV comes with a retractable helipad, making it perfect for those who want to arrive in style. Inside, the Elysium boasts a luxurious living area with a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, ensuring you can cook gourmet meals on the go. The bathroom is designed like a spa, featuring a smart shower and modern fixtures. Another standout feature is the rooftop hot tub, offering a perfect place to relax and enjoy the view. The Elysium also includes smart home technology, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with ease. STX eila Edition 1. Next up, we have the STX eila Edition 1, a luxurious motorhome that combines elegance and advanced technology to offer an unparalleled travel experience. The STX eila Edition 1 features a beautifully designed living area with premium furnishings and a sophisticated entertainment system. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, allowing you to prepare gourmet meals effortlessly. The bedroom offers a plush, comfortable bed and ample storage space, ensuring a restful night's sleep. The bathroom is designed with modern fixtures and a spa-like atmosphere, providing a luxurious retreat. Additionally, the motorhome includes a stylish lounge area and a dedicated workspace, perfect for both relaxation and productivity on the road. Timbercraft Big Sky. Next on our list is the Timbercraft Big Sky, a motorhome that beautifully combines rustic charm with modern comforts. Perfect for nature lovers, this motorhome brings the warmth of a log cabin to the open road. Inside, the Timbercraft Big Sky features a cozy living area with wooden finishes and comfortable seating, giving it a charming, homey feel. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, ideal for preparing hearty meals after a day of exploring the great outdoors. The bedroom offers a comfortable, rustic retreat with plenty of storage space. The bathroom in the Big Sky is designed with modern fixtures and natural materials, providing a relaxing atmosphere. Some models even include a fireplace, adding to the cozy cabin-like ambiance. What makes the Timbercraft Big Sky stand out is its efficient use of space and its rustic, elegant design. It manages to offer all the modern amenities you need while maintaining a connection to nature. STX3 Pop-Outs Motorhome. Next, let's look at the STX3 Pop-Outs Motorhome, known for its innovative space optimization and luxury. The STX features 3 expandable sections, significantly increasing the living space and providing a roomy, comfortable interior. Inside, the expanded living area feels like a luxury apartment. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, and the bedroom offers a cozy retreat with ample storage. The bathroom boasts modern fixtures, and the motorhome includes a lounge area and advanced entertainment system, perfect for relaxation. Whether you're traveling cross-country or setting up in a remote location, the STX3 Pop-Outs Motorhome provides the space and comfort you need. JB Blackstone. Next, we have the JB Blackstone, designed for the adventurous spirit. Built to handle tough terrains, it offers luxurious comfort. The rugged exterior is perfect for off-road adventures, made with durable materials to withstand harsh conditions. Inside, you'll find a luxurious living area with comfortable seating, a well-equipped kitchen with modern appliances, and a cozy bedroom for a restful retreat. The bathroom features modern fixtures and ample space, and there's plenty of storage for extended trips. Whether navigating rocky trails or camping in remote areas, the JB Blackstone offers durability and comfort. Movable Roots Jojo Bean Series. Next, we have the Movable Roots Jojo Bean Series, a tiny home on wheels that perfectly blends compact living with modern comforts. The Jojo Bean Series is designed for those who value efficiency and style. Despite its compact size, this tiny home offers all the amenities you need for comfortable living. Inside, you'll find a cozy living area, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, and a comfortable sleeping loft. Every inch of space is utilized to maximize functionality and comfort. The bathroom is well appointed with modern fixtures, and there are plenty of clever storage solutions throughout the home, ensuring you have space for all your essentials. Whether you're parked in a city or out in nature, the Jojo Bean series offers a stylish and efficient living solution that can go anywhere. JB Homes Golden Sky. Next, we have the JB Homes Golden Sky, a motorhome that epitomizes luxury and elegance on the road. The Golden Sky features a sleek, modern exterior, making it as attractive as it is functional. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with high-end furnishings and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances, perfect for gourmet cooking on the go. The bedroom offers a plush, comfortable retreat with ample storage. The bathroom is luxurious, featuring modern fixtures and a spa-like atmosphere. Additionally, the motorhome includes a stylish lounge area and smart home technology, allowing you to control various features with ease. Volkner Performance S. Next up, we have the Volkner Performance S, a pinnacle of luxury and performance in the motorhome world. The Performance S features a sleek aerodynamic design and even includes an integrated garage for your car, making it perfect for those who want to bring their vehicle along. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with high-end furnishings, a fully equipped kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and a luxurious bedroom offering supreme comfort. The bathroom is designed with spa-like features, and the motorhome also includes a stylish lounge and a dedicated office space, perfect for working on the go.